Understanding Fresh Lobster, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, fresh lobster. This phrase is not just about food, but also about understanding cultural and linguistic nuances in English. Let's dive in and learn together. Fresh is an adjective that describes something new, clean, or not previously used or consumed. In food context, it particularly means recently made or obtained, not canned, frozen, or preserved. For example, fresh bread, fresh fruit, and of course, fresh seafood like lobster. Lobster is a type of shellfish that is considered a delicacy in many cultures. When we talk about lobster, in English, we are referring to a large marine crustacean with a hard shell. Lobsters are known for their rich taste and are often associated with luxury dining. When we combine fresh with lobster, it emphasizes the quality and flavor of the seafood. Fresh lobster implies that the lobster is recently caught and cooked or prepared shortly after being caught, ensuring the best taste and texture. In many English-speaking regions, especially coastal areas, fresh lobster is a popular and sought-after dish. It's often associated with summertime, seaside dining, and special occasions. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping the cultural importance of certain foods in English-speaking cultures. Let's see how fresh lobster can be used in different sentences. I had the most amazing fresh lobster at the beachside restaurant. Our special tonight includes fresh lobster with garlic butter. Can you recommend a place where I can get fresh lobster? That's all about fresh lobster. I hope this video has helped you understand not just the phrase itself, but also its cultural significance. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture behind it. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your English.